How long does it last? From my experience, this fragrance is a beast, guys. This fragrance is a beast. This fragrance lasts the whole day, and on the clothes it lasts the whole week. I can guarantee you that. It's a cheap fragrance, but hello guys, I am Kululekotele and welcome to the video. Welcome to the beauty of South Africa. Our channel basically advocates for South African travel, automotives, the latest automotives, and a fabulous lifestyle. So if this sounds good to you, I'm happy to let you know that you are in the right place. Please feel free to subscribe, like this video, watch this video till the end, and if you find value in the video, please share it with your friends and family, and please press our favorite button, which is the like button, because when you do so, you're actually telling the algorithm that this video is good. They must push it to more viewers. So pressing the like, I'll really appreciate it, guys. In today's video, I'm presenting this fragrance. As you can see in this lovely bottle, the fragrance is called Ragba. It's from the house of Lattafa. This is what the bottle looks like. It's from the house of Lattafa. Lattafa is a Middle Eastern house that manufactures fragrances. It's been making a buzz, it's been making a name for itself for quite a while now, and this is one of their first flagships of fragrances. It is called Ragba. This is the bottle presentation. I wish I could have brought the box, but unfortunately I don't have the box for it. I know that Middle Eastern fragrances are famous for making clones, but this particular fragrance is not a clone of anything that I know of. But if you know that which fragrance is cloning, please put that in the comment section. Yeah, so talking about this fragrance, this is how it looks. This is the presentation of it. The lid is plastic, but I must say that the bottle feels very premium. It feels very expensive. It's heavy. It's got quite a weight with with the juice inside. The box has a sticker of authenticity. So in case you want to buy it, please don't buy a fake Ragba. If you want to buy the real one, you must check the box, because it usually comes with a sticker of authenticity, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so if you are interested in knowing if this is a fragrance that is good or bad, please stick around and watch this video. Hey guys, so as you can see, I am carrying my phone. The reason why I'm carrying my phone is so that I can give you the accurate information about this fragrance. So I'm gonna start talking about the price. I'll talk about the notes. I'll talk about how it smells, if I can smell the notes that are listed. I will talk about the impression, how do I think the smell, whether it's good or it's bad. Basically the gender, which gender this fragrance is suitable for. How long it lasts, and which season this fragrance is best for. Basically my overall impression of the fragrance, and if I can recommend it to you to buy. Okay, so starting with the price. This fragrance in South Africa, it's 350 rands. You can get this fragrance for 350 rands. I wouldn't recommend you to buy it for more than 500 rands. So I would say, if you can get your hands on this fragrance, buy it from 300 rands to 400 rands. Yeah, let me not say 500, because I think 500 rands is pushing it, because I see in some places like Take a Lot and in some online shops, they have a tendency of pushing the price up for this fragrance. But my recommendation is, if you go online and you search, you'll be able to get it for the best price, which starts from 300 to 400 rands. Okay, my next point is the notes. So talking about the notes of this fragrance, and I'm checking out the notes on this website that is called fragrantica.com. They have it listed. This is the website. This is what it looks like. I hope you can see. So against this fragrance, the notes that they have is, they have the main accord, which is vanilla, sweet, oud, amber, powdery, balsamic, something like that, the smoky notes, the woody notes, and the warm spicy notes, and the musky notes. So guys, looking at the notes that are listed here, I do agree with the notes, because when you first open it, I can smell vanilla. Vanilla is very prominent in this fragrance. I can smell it's sweet, as they are saying here, it's sweet as well. I'm not sure what oud smells like, but there is oud, there's amber as well. Amber is comes off as a sweet note as well. I can smell it. The powdery notes, I can smell it. Balsamic, I'm not sure what that is. The smoky notes, it's also smoky. The woody notes, it's also woody. You can smell the wood. The warm spices, I can smell it. So I can confirm that the notes that are listed on Fragrantica are accurate against this fragrance. Yeah, they're accurate, because I know that some websites or some fragrance houses, they have a tendency of listing the notes, but when you smell the fragrance, you find that these notes that are listed, the fragrance doesn't smell like those notes. But I can say that on Fragrantica, they are quite accurate with the notes, because it's exactly what you can smell. Okay, my next point would basically be my impression of the smell. Yeah, guys, I love the way this fragrance smells. The overall smell, I give it a 10 out of 10 because, as you can see, I've been using this fragrance quite a lot. I've dented it. So yeah, if I had to rate this fragrance, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, based on the notes, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Which gender it's suitable for? This is a unisex fragrance. If I'm looking at Fragrantica as well, they are saying that there is a statement there that says that it is, since it's based on amber vanilla, it's basically a unisex, so it's suitable for both men and women can wear this fragrance. What's my next point? How long does it last? From my experience, this fragrance is a beast, guys. This fragrance is a beast. This fragrance lasts the whole day, and on the clothes it lasts the whole week. I can guarantee you that. It's a cheap fragrance, but the way that it smells, it's amazing. It's amazing. It can smell the whole day, over 8 hours on the skin, on the clothes over 2 days. 1 day of good projection with this. So 350, if you're looking at 350, the other fragrances that got a similar projection, they cost they cost a lot. They are expensive, they're quite expensive, but looking at the quality of this fragrance, I think it's quite very cheap for 350 rands. Which season do I recommend it for? I recommend this for winter, guys. This is definitely a winter fragrance. It performs better in winter because I bought it in November, and in South Africa November is the summer season, but I couldn't use it because it wasn't suitable for summer. Yeah, but I'm appreciating it more in winter, so I would recommend this for winter. So my overall impression, I did rate it that I give it a 10 out of 10. I would recommend for men and women. If you like the woody, vanilla, smoky notes, the spicy notes, I recommend this for you. So yeah, guys, that's my overall impression. I can't think of anything else. That's my overall impression. I love this fragrance. I wish I can buy another one when this gets finished. I wish I can always have this fragrance. It's a very addictive smell. It reminds me of a banana smell as well. Like there's like a banana note that's inside here, which I love, or a honey note. I don't know whether it's the sweet note, but I must say that it's quite an addictive fragrance. It's a fragrance that's worth it. Ragba, guys, go and get it for yourself in winter and wrap yourself in a vanilla blanket, a warm vanilla blanket with this. So I highly recommend it. If you are still watching, guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. If you've been watching, I'm assuming that you did enjoy the video. Please, likewise, press our favorite button, the like button, the subscribe button. Share the video with your friends and family if you found value in the video. And I hope, thank you so much for joining your video, and I'll see you in the next video. Sharp.